Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to create this ultimate epic Canva text effect on your Canva mobile app. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly get into the video. So how to create a silver text effect, I'm just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, open the app section on the bottom and you just click on the text, just as Text Studio app, and you can select the first, and here you just need to search as silver, and then you can find the silver text effect. And in the silver text effect you can find a lot of silver text effect, but some of the premium, some of the free. I'm just going to select the first silver text effect, which really look awesome. So you can find a lot of the text effect here, but the first thing actually look great. So in the first place, I'm just going to choose the silver text effect here on the top, just, and this you can just edit the text you just needed. For an example, silver style, I just going with that. And you can also change the font so it look great. Actually, the bold font look different, and also the unique of the silver style, and you can just have the effect on the text. And also here you can just curve the text, or you can just add shadow if you just need it, and click on the add design, so the design will be automatically added on your Canva image. If you just need to create a super design with a silver text effect on your Instagram post or thumbnail, just use this on your Canva mobile application as well as your PC. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day ever.